Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your mouse glide faster. First, let's talk about your mouse bed. Selecting a low-friction surface, such as glass or hard plastic, can dramatically increase glide speed. These materials offer minimal resistance, allowing for swift, effortless movements. Remember to keep your mouse pad clean, as accumulated dust and oils can significantly hinder performance. A larger pad also provides ample space for broad, fast swipes. Next, focus on your mouse's hardware. Replacing standard mouse feet with premium PTFE or even glass skates can drastically reduce friction, making your mouse feel incredibly smooth. Always check that your mouse feet are clean, as even tiny particles can create drag. Additionally, a lighter mouse, often weighing less than 70 grams, requires less effort to move, enhancing overall glide and speed. Software settings play a crucial role in mouse glide. Adjusting your mouse's DPI, or dots per inch, allows the cursor to travel further with minimal physical movement. A higher polling rate, ideally 1000 Hz or more, ensures your computer receives mouse updates more frequently, resulting in smoother, more responsive tracking. Also, disable any mouse acceleration in your system settings for predictable, consistent input. Finally, consistent maintenance and refinement are key. Regularly cleaning both your mouse and mousepad prevents the accumulation of dirt and oils that cause drag. For an extra boost, a tiny amount of silicone lubricant on your mouse feet can provide a temporary, super smooth glide. Remember to use a light touch when moving your mouse. Excessive pressure can increase friction and wear on the skates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.